Hi. Are you shopping in the cupboard? Yeah. Okay. What did you think? What did you find? Those things crinkle. Hi. Oh, kitty.
I think you better be careful.
Are you gonna go get the kitty, Emma?
All right, go find the kitty. Where'd the kitty go? Here's the kitty right here.
Hi.
Here's the kitty.
The kitty's like, no, that baby's coming. Hi.
He is.
Man, the poor cat between the baby and the dog.
Hi, kitty.
You waving? Hi, kitty.
I like the kitty, don't they?
Emma, can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Look at Mommy, say bye-bye. Can you wave? Nah, done. I just want the cat.
You got
Oh, wait.
a lot of her rear end on that video.
Oh, now she's coming back. I'm not done. I'm still... We say bye-bye a lot. Just know she's going to do something amazing right after I turn it off.
Of course.
Alright. Now you're going to go out of my view. Maybe. See you later, Emma. Okay.